Okay, this is test number 2 of high forging force experiments using 0.6mm molybdenum wire at 30,000 RPM on aluminum oxide. We're moving at 75 millimeters per minute of surface feed rate with 0.125 millimeters of total Z feed and 10 millimeters of total track length. So without further ado, I'm going to try to start the deposition at a higher forging force and thus maintain a higher deposition temperature. Contact. We had some feedstock buckling, so I'm going to call that as something like a failure, maybe. Although it did make quite a film of material here. I wish I had a towel to clean this thing off with. It's very dirty. It's interesting. What do we have here? Oh, it's electrically continuous, just has relatively high resistance. About 6 kilo ohms. Very interesting. I'm gonna have to straighten this out.